Hello everybody, this is Lord Chief. I'm going to be showing you guys the Temple of the Almanax. Right now I am currently just directly south of the Temple of the Almanax, but I'm going to just show you guys our little item real quick called the Teleport of Scriptures. It's a little book that you pick up inside the temple itself that gives you infinite teleports back here whenever you want, unless you're in combat, of course, or the training room. So it brings you right back to the entrance, as I just showed you, and now I'm going to actually show you why we're actually here in the first place. See, the Almanax Temple is kind of like your daily quest in this game, or one of the types of daily quests in this game. You basically go inside this little room and you pray to an altar, and it'll grant you a buff that lasts 2 hours. It's a random buff. There's like 5 or 6 different ones you can get. Prospecting increases, experience increases, damage increases, etc. But it also grants you a daily token called an Almokin. These little Almokins you can save up and spend them on the same vending machine where you get the Teleport of Scriptures from, and you can buy some gears, costumes, other items of value. So I'm going to just show you real quick what the inside of the temple looks like. There's a door. Each of these is for every season, but it does not matter which one you go to. If you wanted to pray to winter in the middle of July, it doesn't matter. I'll go and show you spring because it's the one that looks the best to me. So here you are. This is the altar. You're going to right-click it and see its little dialog box and pray to the altar for that day if you haven't already. You'll know if you've got the quest for it. There'll be like a little flowery star gem type icon with star sun thing here. Kind of looks like the general shape of this guy here. It'll show, and if it's there, that means that it's available for you. If it's not there, it means you've already done the daily for that day. For those of you like myself who are playing the Waypack server from the US, I'm on the West Coast, and this resets at 9 o'clock in the morning for me. So here's where you would pray, and you would get your buff as a result. Now, as for what you use these tokens for, it's up to you. Let me take a look at this vending machine here. So the first item is the Teleport of Scriptures. This is the free book. The rest of these items, they vary in Almokin cost from 1 Almokin all the way down to 360 for the Meridia insignia. This is a super rare item. It's called a relic. And this is what the most committed way of getting a relic item. It's a very powerful relic as a result. This is basically a costume, kind of like my character here in their little she-devil outfit. It goes over your outfit, and it gives you all of these stats just for wearing it. And these are pretty big bonuses. But this takes 360 Almokins, which means you'd have to do this daily quest for 360 days in order to be able to afford one of these. It's a long commitment to get one of those. Other items that people tend to get are the Arachne, which costs 150 Almokins. It's a pet that at max level gives you a plus 10 kit skill. This means, as I explained in my stats and skills video, that you can wear gears 10 levels earlier than you would otherwise if you're wearing this pet and its max level. There are also an assortment of weapons and some haven gems you can buy, and what most people usually end up spending stuff on are these costumes. You've got, it's like 12 different costumes, I believe, one for each month, and you basically, it's the same as that insignia down there. It changes how you look. You can preview the items as well if you want to see what the costumes look like. This one turns you into a big furry horned beast. And that's it for the Temple of the Almanax. Use the book as a free teleport whenever you want to get back to Astrub. Cuts down a lot of travel time and travel cost. It kind of works like the /suicide command in that regard. And save up your daily tokens. Keep in mind you can do these dailies once a day on every character you have. So if you're like me and you've got all sorts of characters, I actually log in on all of them every single day so that I can get all sorts of Almukins. Eventually, I hope to be able to invest those into a lot of different rewards. Thanks for watching.